Waking up in the heart of Puerto Rico, beautiful Hacienda Iluminada, home of 787 Coffee. A mindful day here, topped with culinary experiences that you won't forget. A traditional chicken stew, cooked over a wood fire. Now let's get to our meal preparation. We're starting with our fresh chicken, and we're cutting into stew-sized pieces. Always using fresh ingredients to really capture the essence of the dish that reflects the beauty of Puerto Rico. Now that we've cut our chicken, it's time to cook, slowly over wood fire, which will infuse it with smoky flavor that can't be mimicked. Combining local spices and herbs, potatoes, our secret sauce, homegrown, love, sounds, beauty. A fire pit that was made by our co-workers, farmers here at Hacienda Iluminada. Witnessing the flames and feeling the warmth of el fogón, it's truly a return to the roots of a traditional cooking. A moment of truth, flavors, tenderness, the heart of Hacienda Iluminada in one dish. The balance of a mindful day isn't complete without nourishing the body with a meal, cooked with intention, here, under an open sky, experiencing true essence of living and eating mindfulness, here at Hacienda Iluminada. If you've enjoyed the journey and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.